How's it going, Pitbull? Buster Missy One here. Today I'm taking a train ride to travel to Bishop Stortford. So, really cool. This will be really, really cool. So, stick around. Folks. So, I just got the ticket and bought tickets for the travel for the train. Gonna go to Bishop Stortford, so I know my routes. Cross the bridge, go under the bridge, cross the bridge. So yeah, it should be right. Hopefully it should be good. Should be good to know. I got contactless, so contactless card. So I wonder if that'll work. Probably. Alright, so on the other side of the station, of the train station. So the next train should be coming in half an hour. Well, you know, half hour. I was in 11:30, 40. You know what I mean. You know what to mean. 11:30, 11:40. There's where we came from. So it's a little bit blurry on the phone here. Needs to focus. This phone needs to focus. It needs to really focus. Slightly need to get used to this phone a bit, because it's got a nice nifty feature on the video called quick capture. That's a nifty feature. So here we are, waiting for the train to come, and there's one coming now. Brilliant shot. Also can take photos as well. That's good. Brilliant, that was a good shot. This is the Bishop Stortford side. We need to go. This is the Bishop Stortford side. It's good, this is where we need to go for the train. And the other side is Harlow and Ware and Broxbourne side. I'm trying to think. So yeah, Broxbourne and Ware side is just on the other side. So if we want to go to Ware, that's good. Yeah, that is good. Go over to Ware. So that's good on the Ware side. Oh yeah, I could see Daniela. Could see Danny, because she lives over there. And also, yeah, the Hertford side. So anyways, yeah, I totally forgot about I had this app with me in the as well, because this is quite good as well, the Dolby On, as well as high quality and best picture quality, so a bit of both on my camera. So yeah, that's quite cool. So yeah, just waiting for the train to come. Right, you can hear the birds chirping in the background. Really good surround sound. Really good surround sound here. Just realised, didn't notice there was another one of these up here, so the times as well, going up to Stortford. So yeah, there's another one here. So any minute now the train should be coming towards here. So it should be coming any minute now. The train should be here. So that'd be really good. Really, really awesome. So it's waiting. We're waiting on the platform. As you can see, we are waiting on the platform, and I think it's coming now. Alright, here comes our train to Please stand back. Train now approaching platform 2. Platform 2 does not stop here. Okay then. So, alright. So, we are at platform 2. This is the stop we need, or not stop, but station. Yeah, station, yeah. We need for Bishop Stortford. Let's go up to Bishop Stortford. There we go. Platform 1 is on the other side. Yeah, platform 1 is the one where you need to go for, if you want to go up Harlow and Broxbourne and Ware, and on the other side. It's on the other side. And, okay, so we are on the
Welcome to
train.
this service for Bishop Stortford. We will be calling at Bishop Stortford.
How cool is this?
The next stop will be Bishop Stortford.
Before we go and hop off at Stortford, let's get rid of the train. And here we are, Bishop Stortford. Bishop Stortford. Okay, so we are in Bishop Stortford at the train station. So as you can see, we are in Stortford. So where do we go to head out to the town bit? So I think we go upwards. If I remember, I hardly remember going to Stortford, and I think we go up. Go up the stairs, I should think. So, yeah, I think we do. Okay, so we are at platform 3.
The next train,
Yeah,
platform 2, is the 11:59 Greater Anglia service to London Liverpool Street.
Okay, let's go to Liverpool Street, that one.
Stortford.
Oh, look at that in the background. You can see a Les Mis poster in there. Oh, look at that, I can see a Les Miserables poster in the background. It's a bit blurry, but you can clearly see it.
Platform 2.
There's platform 1.
Greater
But yeah, you can clearly see the poster for Les Miserables. I love that musical. So, this is Harlow. So this would be Harlow. Okay, so we are on platform 1. There we go, a little close up there on the Les Miserables poster there. It's awesome. Stunning. Awesome. I'm trying to find my way to get back to Harlow. Do a little practice. So I'm not sure if this is the right station to stand on. So you always look at the trains. Remember, if you're not sure, look at the trains where they're going. It's not in service. Always look at the trains to know where they're going. I know my ways of Stortford, so I've got my bus pass with me, so that's good. It's good to know. So I think I have to go on the other side if I want to exit the station in Bishop Stortford, so I was going the wrong way around, but I love it. That's alright. At least I know where to go and what's what. Okay, so yeah, a little practice. Right here, that's good. This is good training. Good travel training I'm making. And here, to get to know what's what and where to go. And to use the tickets, of course. So, yeah, just looking at this map here, and also the maps as well. They're here to guide you and help you out how to get to what's what. Buses obviously no, 510s, the 50s, yes, let's get around. Okay, as you can see, you've got the timetables there. Well, not timetables, but timetables will be over here. So, train times and timetables will be there. But there's a map of the train there, and where to go, and what platform to use, I guess. So that's good. Harlow Town, Bishop Stortford and Harlow Town, and all that. Goes all the way down to St Howe. All the way up to Cambridge on the other side. In Bishop Stortford now. Oh, how I like you, Bishop Stortford. How I like you. So yeah, taking a walk up here. You probably might have seen my GoPro videos. Yeah, before I did one GoPro video here on my new playlist. Beanstalk videos and playlists. Fee far fur fum. Watch out, world. Here I come. Oh, that's cool. It's one of my favourite fairy tales when I was Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack and the Beanstalk. So yeah, that's a good name of a playlist or a video or a channel to see the world. So if you like the video, check them out. Check out my videos in the playlist, if you will. Check them out. Okay, so we've just been to the South Mill Arts. That was cool. Just pick up some tickets for things, you know, just tasks and jobs and stuff like that. So yeah, we're looking around the South Mill Arts, so yeah,